This video is sponsored by Ocushield. Hello everyone, my name is Dion. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this blue light blocking screen protector from Ocushield. Let's get started. This is the first and only medically rated blue light blocking screen protector designed and developed by optometrists in the UK and is registered as a Class 1 medical device. I find myself often getting eye strain or feeling tired after looking at screens for an extended period, especially my phone. When Ocushield reached out with this product, I was very keen to hear more. Ocushield works by blocking up to 99% of harmful UV and blue light emissions, protecting against blue light exposure. But what is blue light exposure? Well, blue light is everywhere, but particularly in digital devices. Not all blue light is bad, however, much of the blue light emitted from, for example, your phone sits in the 380 to 450 nanometer range, which is the most harmful to your health. This shorter wavelength, higher energy light is known as HEV light. This light can cause eye strain, dry eyes, blurry vision, and headaches. This can really have a substantial impact on how you feel throughout the day and also at night due to blue light's effects on blocking the production of melatonin, a natural chemical that helps your body fall asleep. Ocushield is supported on iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, iPads, MacBooks, monitors, and even have blue light blocking glasses and bedside lamps. Ocushield has sent me screen protectors for both my iPhone X as well as the iPhone 11. Let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, we have user-friendly packaging, highlighting the product's features including its antibacterial technology. Opening the fold reveals the installation instructions, and on the right is where you'll find the screen protector and everything you need to install. By the way, if you're interested in purchasing a screen protector from Ocushield, be sure to check out the affiliate links in the description, which will also give you a special discount. It is a good thing they've included an easy applicator. I'm really glad to see this, as this will make the installation much easier. To start, I will clean the screen, then peel back the film on the screen protector, place my iPhone into the installation tray, press up on the downward facing arrow, and finally turning over the tray to pull off the arrow label. And that's it! This only took seconds to install and aligns perfectly. Any remaining bubbles you may have can be removed by pushing them out to the side of the screen protector. Let's take a closer look at the product. Now, one of the most impressive features of this product is not just the fact that it blocks blue light, but also the way in which it does this, as they have found a way to do this with adding no heavy orange tinge to the screen protector, allowing your phone's display to retain accurate and true colors. This is especially important to me as I frequently edit photos right on my phone. You can see when the display is off, reflections do show in a slightly different way. But again, and most importantly, this does not show when you're using the phone. Looking at a white backdrop on my phone, there is virtually no change in tint or color reproduction. The same can be said for colorful photos and videos. And this is true for both the OLED display on my iPhone X as well as the LCD display on my iPhone 11. Really impressive. The screen protector is also well built from durable tempered glass. Not only will this block blue light to protect your eyes, it will also protect your phone's display from scratches and other day-to-day wear. So how effective is it? In my testing, I found the screen protector to perform exceptionally well. For me, the initial biggest highlight is its unique ability to retain the color accuracy of your phone's display. When using your phone, you can barely notice the screen protector is even there. Over the past week, I've definitely felt less fatigue as well as eye strain, particularly when using my phone at night. I never really realized how much this was affecting me until I started to notice these improvements. Normally in the evening, I use night mode on my phone, but frequently find myself turning this off whenever I need accurate colors. Now I no longer need to use night mode, getting the best of both worlds, blocking blue light as well as retaining color accuracy. I will definitely be recommending this product to a friend of mine who actually gets migraines after using her phone for more than a few hours per day. If you find yourself experiencing blue light exposure effects, I definitely recommend checking out this product. These days, we all spend many hours of the day looking at screens. Therefore, I think that many of us can benefit from using these screen protectors. Additionally, Ocushield offers worldwide shipping. Be sure to check out the affiliate links in the description to get a special discount with your purchase. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.